What is up everyone, how you doing, and in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can enable or disable OTG connection in Realme GT Neo 2. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to enable or disable OTG or USB connection settings in Realme GT Neo 2, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So just open settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.